babalik na naman tayo sa MOA.
Kasama kami and thank you so much na pumunta kayo dito sa fan signing event. At ito na yung last namin na fan signing event. And ayun, feel nyo lang na this year. Feel nyo lang na
Need your energy, keep it at this level, and marami pa tayong gagawin mamaya, okay? So